If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Capital One, follow these steps to ensure the process is handled correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Capital One account by visiting their website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Transactions or Activity section. This area will display your recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 3. Identify a pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction list to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Make sure to double-check the details to confirm it is the correct transaction. Step 4. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow customer service instructions. Explain your situation to the customer service representative. They will guide you through the process of disputing or cancelling the pending transaction based on their policies. By following these steps, you can effectively address a pending transaction with Capital One. Always remember to keep track of your transactions to avoid any issues in the future.